It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take another look at 2020-2021 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. But don't forget about our latest contest. You can win this box, this retail box of 2021 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Check out the details in the description below. We're running a contest, trying to throw a little positivity in there as we go towards 2021, so check out the details. Follow the instructions and win this guy. So, 2021 Upper Deck. We've already opened 2 boxes on this channel, I believe. So this will be box number 3. Yeah, 2. Have not pulled the key Young Gun yet, but our last box we did pull a 1-of-1, which was pretty cool. Something I was not expecting to get. We're going to go right into this guy. See our ad here. Same as in every other box, we're going to get an advertisement for Upper Deck Synergy right there, which is coming out, I believe, the first week in January. So keep an eye out for that. And let's get right into this bad boy. So we should get 6 Young Guns out of here. That, of course, is the thing most people are looking for, and we are no exception. And we're going to start off with Nazem Kadri, Nikolai Ehlers. We've got Artem Anisimov. We've got Blake Coleman, and we'll right into our first Young Gun. It's Timothy Liljegren. And I know some people have reported having issues with the quality of the Young Guns, but it looks like we got 4 sharp corners on ours, so that bodes well for this box. Thomas Tatar, Travis Sanheim, and Mikhail Backlund. So I know lots of people have seen opening this up on YouTube. Everybody seems to be looking for the same thing, looking for that Lafreniere. Jeff Carter. We've got Dylan Dubé, Sean Couturier, Jacob Chikrin, and we've got a Dazzlers of Rickard Rakell, which I really like these cards. There are colored parallels of these as well. This is the common version. Mika Zibanejad, Alexander Radulov, and Blake Lizotte. So, of course, it would be nice to pull another 1-of-1 in here, but not going to get greedy. We've got Marcus Johansson, Dylan Strome. We've got an NHL Worldwide of Sidney Crosby, which is a PC for me. Of course, Team Canada. It'll be interesting. I know I was reading an article that the players want to compete in the upcoming Winter Games next year, but supposedly the owners aren't sold on the idea of interrupting yet another season. Alexander Barkov, Travis Konechny, James Neal, and Jonathan Drouin. I will say I do enjoy watching the Olympic hockey when the NHLers are in it. Just creates some really, really great showcase of talent. Brock Nelson, Colin White, Nick Dowd, and we've got Vitek Vanacek for Washington. Who knows, maybe he'll be the backup now because King Henry will not be playing this season. Anders Lee, Alexander Wenberg, Martin Nikach, Jeff Petrie. Hope everyone had an enjoyable Christmas weekend if you celebrate Christmas. If not, hope you had a wonderful holiday season. Tyler Seguin, Braden Point, Jiggity Jake Guentzel. We've got an Upper Deck Portraits of Leon Draisaitl. Tony DeAngelo, Kalle Yarncroc, Ben Bishop, and David Rittich. That is from the outdoor game, the Stadium Series game. Love those pads. We've got Jack Eichel, Matthew Perreault, Pavel Zacha, Jason Zucker, and we've got another Dazzlers. We've got Austin Matthews for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Mark Stone, Alex Stalock, and Kyler Yamamoto. Jonathan Bernier, William Karlsson, Alex DeBrincat. We've got Alex Belzil. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Sorry about that one, Alex. Mitch Marner, Gabriel Landeskog, Josh Morrissey, and Connor Brown. Somewhere between 15 to 25 years ago, Connor was a really popular first name for kids, for boys, because the NHL is beginning to be inundated with Connors. Kevin Hayes, Connor McDavid, Philip Deneau, Mark Stone. We've got Zach Sanford, Blake Wheeler, Timo Meyer, Mark Stahl. That means we should have a French variant in here. No? Do we have an all base pack with no French variant or anything? Wow. Did I miss something in there? Anybody see something I missed? It's extremely rare to have a base pack in this year's, at least in hobby. But there it is, I guess. Wow. I feel like we got gypped on that one. We was robbed. Huh. If you noticed anything in that pack, I was flipping through it. Leave a note in the comments. Maybe a photo variation or something I missed, but I thought that was them in like suits. Players in suits. I don't know. Semyon Varlamov, Rocco Grimaldi, Zach Werenski, Elias Lindholm, and we've got Ty Dellandrea for the Stars. It's a young gun. David Pasternak, Bo Horvat, and John Carlson. William Nylander, Keith Yandel, Alec Martinez, Connor Garland, Logan Couture, Josh Manson, Carter Hutton, Neil Pionk. Does that look like... Oh, portraits. I missed the portraits. Logan Couture portraits. Wow. I'm so distracted by that one pack. I actually like the portraits. A lot of people don't like them. I think they're pretty cool. I think that's, wacky kind of photo ideas. I think that's a cool thing to do. Make them a little bit different. Make them stand out. Brady Shea, Oscar Clefbaum, Ricard Raquel, Shea Weber, Thomas Chabot portrait, Yanni Gord, Colin Miller, and Jonathan Taves. Alex Ovechkin, Nikita Gusev, Quinn Hughes, Jacob Trouba, young gun of Igor Zamula for your Philadelphia Flyers. Miles Wood, Franz Nielsen, and Philip Grubauer. Philip Zadina, Teuvo Teravainen, UC Saros, Ben Bishop for the U.S.A., Jordan Eberle, Eric Carlson, Philip Bronick, and Jonathan Marchessault. Sergei Bobrovsky, JT Compher, Phil the Thrill. We've got Marc-Andre Fleury for Canada, the Vegas Golden Knights. Artemi Panarin, Justin Abdelkader, Steven Stamkos, and Patrick Hornquist. Something I was talking with one of my friends the other day. Do you think the format that the NHL is using this year of teams playing all interdivisional games, so they're only playing teams in their division, do you think that's going to make rivalries more intense? or do you think that is going to impact how intense they are? Do you think fans are just going to be tired of seeing, the same team over and over and over again, and maybe that Battle of Alberta won't be as exciting as it was the first couple times because you don't get to see him as much, or do you think it'll be more intense? Joe Pavelski, Alex Iafallo, Nick Leddy, and we've got our first canvas of the box, Anze Kopitar. There's a shot from one of the outdoor games as well. Kasperi Kapanen, Esa Lindell, TJ Oshie, and Robert Thomas. I'm going to organize some of these base cards here because they everywhere. PK Subban, Dylan Larkin, Timothy Liljegren, portrait, Alex Killorn, Mike Riley, Oliver Bjorkstrand, and Jordan Binnington. Down near the bottom of the box. Top of that pack is a little dinged up. Elvis Merzlikins, Peter Mrazek, Brendan Gallagher, and we've got a predominant Joe Thornton, now playing for Toronto. Ryan O'Reilly, Anze Kopitar, and Brandon Tanev. John Tavares, John Gibson, David Perron, and we've got a Young Gun canvas of Thomas Harley for the Stars. I think that's the second canvas Young Gun we've pulled out of here, and we pulled the printing plate as well. That's pretty awesome. Duncan Keith, Vinny Trocheck, Mikko Koskinen, and Jacob Silverberg. Thomas Hertl, Ryan Ellis, Tuukka Rask, and we've got Ryan Johansson for the Preds, Ilya Samsonov, Cal Palmieri, JT Miller, and Mika Zibanejad. Mark Scheifele, Evander Kane, Igor Shesterkin, John Moore, and we've got Alexander True for the San Jose Sharks. Matt Duchene, Aaron Ekblad, and Jonas Donskoy. Zach Hyman, John Klingberg, Dmitry Orlov, and a predominant of Jonathan Huberdeau. There's a player I really enjoy watching Huberdeau play, and I think his hobby value is criminally underrated or undervalued. Brandon Carlo, the Series 1 checklist with Ovi and Pasta, and Tanner Pearson. Colton Parayko, Adrian Kempe, John Marino. We've got Riley Smith, and we've got a Jeff Skinner canvas with a really cool picture with his shadow there. That looks awesome. Zach Parise, Geno Malkin, and Dougie Hamilton. 2 packs left. We've got Jeff Carter, Dylan Dubé, Sean Couturier, Jacob Chikrin, and Ryan McLeod, Young Gun. Seems like I got a lot of Young Guns. I should have counted them. Might be more than 6 in here. Alexander Radulov, Blake Lizotte, Anders Lee. Matt Zuccarello, Darnell Nurse, Alex Kerfoot, another young gun, Penguin, Pierre-Olivier Joseph. POJ. Interested to see him hopefully suit up for some games this year. Boone Jenner, Ryan Suter, Charlie McAvoy, and Brandon Saad. So there you have it. That is our box of 2021 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.